Namaskar and welcome to Ravindra Bondre channel. In this channel, we are studying about class 9 Science and Technology part 2, and the chapter is Heredity and Variation. Now in that today we shall see about dihybrid cross. So in earlier class we have seen about monohybrid cross. So the cross that involve one pair of contrasting character is called monohybrid cross. We have seen in that cross the red flowered pea plant is crossed with white flower pea plants, and in that we have seen the ratio, the P1 generation, F1 generation, F2 generation, phenotypic ratio, genotypic ratio, homozygous, heterozygous. We have seen. In the same way, today we have to see dihybrid cross. In the same manner, only difference is that instead of one pair of contrasting character, there are two pairs. Which are they? So listen, Mendel considered two pairs about seed. Some seeds are yellow and round in color, and some seeds of pea plants are wrinkled and green in color. So he crossed these two plants. So yellow round or round yellow, round color, round shape and yellow color, cross with green wrinkle. This is called P1 generation. त्याला म्हणतो आपण parental generation because these are parents. So here round yellow is dominant over green wrinkled. Why? We have seen in the earlier, because these round and yellow seeds in F1 generation, all the plants are round yellow and they hide the characters of green wrinkled, or they mask the character of green wrinkled, and hence majority of plants are round yellow, and hence he, by his observation, he called these plants are dominant and these plants are as recessive. So here round yellow, these are parental plants, and this is also called phenotype. So what is phenotype? Phenotype is the external appearance. They distinct. We can immediately identify round colored and yellow, round shaped and yellow colored seeds like this. And we are also identify by looking green and wrinkled, color green and wrinkled like this. Such seeds are there. So this is called phenotype. Now what are the genotypes? Genotypes. Now for round, the genes or alleles are always in pairs. So that is capital R, and small y, capital Y, small y. Here small r, small y, small y. Now for round, as they are in pair, capital R. For yellow, capital Y, because both are dominant, and dominance genes. The genes of dominant plants are shown in capital letter, and the genes of recessive plants are shown by small letters. Now this is called genotype of the plant. Now the gametes which are formed, they are single. So capital R from this round and capital Y from this. So we can say RY, and here RY. And these two plants, both are, all pea plants are self pollination, they undergo self pollination, but he crossed म्हणजे काय केलं, राऊंड येलो प्लांटचे पोलन ग्रेन्स ग्रीन रिंकल्ड प्लांटच्या स्टिग्मावर त्याला काय केलं, त्याला क्रॉस केलं, तर शिंपडले असते with the help of brush, that is called hybridization, and this pollination is called cross pollination. So the pollination in which the pollen grains of one flower of same plant is added or transferred to the stigma of other flower of same plant or other plant but of same species. Species कोणती इथं, Pisum saccharum. Pisum saccharum, that is called pea plant. So अशा प्रकारे क्रॉस केलं जातं, and then in F1 generation all the plants which are formed were round wrinkled like this. All these plants are round wrinkled. So here genotype of F1, सगळे प्लॅन्ट कोणते होते, राउंड wrinkled, because capital R is dominant over small r, capital Y is dominant over small. So round green, round yellow. All the plants are round yellow because yellow is dominant over green. Now we can write here wrinkled green. So here wrinkled, round wrinkled shape, and yellow green color. So here all the plants are round yellow. Why? Because round yellow is dominant over wrinkled green. So phenotypically all plants are round yellow, but when you observe genotype, this genotype and this genotype is different. Why? Because these plants have some characters of wrinkled green, because there is small r and small y. So though they are round yellow, but these are different from the parent plants. So this is called F1 generation. याला म्हटलं आपण F1 generation or first filial generation. हे झालं पहिलं जनरेशन. क्रॉस केल्यानंतर जे जनरेशन तयार झालं, all plants were round and yellow phenotypically, but the genotype was different. The genotype काय, both capital, here one capital of round, one capital of yellow, because they also contain the characters of wrinkled. Now after formation of F1 generation, then observation will get, and then he allowed this plant for self pollination. त्याला काय केलं आता, self pollination, cross pollination केलं. So when he allowed for self pollination, then phenotype, त्याचं phenotype काय, F1 चं all plants are round yellow, सगळे प्लॅन्ट्स कोणते होते, राउंड येलो. हे झालं फिनोटाइप, बट जेनेटिकली दे हॅव one capital R, one small r, one capital Y, one small y. So these are called hybrid plants. These are called pure plants. Pure round yellow, but this is hybrid round yellow. So here when he allowed for these plants, हे जे F1 generation याला सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन केलं, तर दोन प्रकारचे 4 types of gametes are formed. Which are they? Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. So here these 4 types of gametes are formed. These are the gametes of F1 generation. So considering this as male and this as female, which are the combinations formed in F2 generation, we shall show by a Punnett square or checkerboard. We have seen the checkerboard or Punnett square in monohybrid cross. In the same manner, we are looking the checkerboard. So when these gametes are considered as male, these are considered as female. So we shall draw a Punnett square. So draw a Punnett square. So here capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Then here capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y, and here is the checkerboard. Now this is the checkered board. It has 16 boards. 4, 4, 4, 4. And in monohybrid cross there were only 4 boards. So 4 checkered boards. So here 16 combination. So here these 4 are called male gametes, and these 4 are called female gametes. So how the possibility of combination of male and female gametes is there. So here this male combines with this female gametes. So capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Look carefully. Capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Here. In the second. Now this is the first, this is the second. So first capital R, capital Y, second capital R, small y. So both capital R combined together, capital Y, small y. Write capital letter first and small letter later. Then here third and first, capital R, small r. Capital Y, because both are capital. Then capital R, small r. Capital Y, small y. So these are combinations of first. Then second. Second is, now here this is the second row and first this first column and second row. So capital R, capital Y, small y. Then second row, capital R, small y, small y. Then capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r, small y, small y. Then third row and first column, capital R, small r, capital Y, because both are capital. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Then small r, capital Y. Then small r, capital Y, small y. Because write capital letter first and small letter later on. Then here fourth row, first column, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Second column, fourth row, capital R, small y, small y. Both small. Then small r, capital Y, small y. Then both are small, small r, small r. Small y, small y. So these are 16 combinations formed in F2 generation. So this is called F2 generation. So there are 4 types of phenotypes. Now we remove this. There are 4 types of phenotypes. Which are they? पहला phenotype R for round, Y for yellow. So here we can write phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio. So first one, capital R, capital Y, means round yellow. Second is round Y for round green. Third combination, small r for wrinkled, and this is for yellow. Wrinkled yellow. Small r, capital Y. And the last combination is both are small, so wrinkled green. Small r, small y. So these are 4 combinations of phenotypic ratio. Now we can check in the checkerboard how many round yellow are there. Means either both capital R or one small r, because capital R is dominant over small r. So both capital R or one capital R, both capital Y or minimum one capital Y should be there. So we can check here by making round. So here capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. So this is first. Then capital R I, capital Y I. Second, capital R, capital Y. So this is third. Capital R, capital Y. This is fourth. Again capital R, capital Y. Minimum one I. 5. Here both are small y. So there is no combination. Capital R, capital Y. 6. Now here both are small y. Capital R, capital Y. So just for identification, we can make such signs. Then capital R, capital Y. I. So both are small r. Both are small r. Again capital R, capital Y. Both are small y. Both are small r, and all are small letter. So these are combinations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 9 are round yellow. Now we shall see round green, means both are small y compulsory, because green is recessive. And in round either both are capital R or single capital R. So here we can check. Now listen, capital R, small y, both are small. So here we can make underline. Then here capital R, both are small y. Second, now here both are small r. Now here capital R, small y. Third, small r, small r. So here ratio is how many? 1, 2, 3. So 3. Now we shall see wrinkled yellow. Both are small r compulsory, because this R green is recessive, and out of capital Y both are single should be there. So small r, capital Y. Now here, now this one, small r, capital Y. Again small r,
capital Y. Here both capital Y, here single capital Y. Again here small r, capital Y. So how many combinations? 1, 2, 3. And now wrinkled green, only one. All are small. So total ratio is phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1. Total is 16. 9 3 12 3 15 16, and there are 16 total 16 boards are there. So this is phenotypic ratio. Now we have to see genotypic ratio. What is the genotypic ratio? Now we shall see genotypic ratio. What is phenotypic ratio? 9:3:3:1. So this is the ratio 9:3:3:1.
Now genotypic ratio. In this, consider the combinations. All are dominant. Capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Then second, capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Third, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Fourth, now both are same. Now here, capital R, small y, small y. See, all are different from each other. Then fourth, capital R, small y, small y. Then fifth, small r, capital Y. Then small r, capital Y, small. All combinations are there in the same board. Now this is sixth one. Seventh, now these are both capital Y. Then seventh one, small r, small y, small y. This one. Then again there are two combinations which are remaining. Capital R, small y, small y, small y. Small r, capital Y, capital Y. Then there are two combinations which are remaining. This one. Take capital R, small r, capital Y, and last combination for genotypic ratio. Both capital R, both capital Y, both capital R. There is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Now we shall see one by one by this checkerboard. Now observe how many capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Here only one. So we shall write here 1. Now as it is finished, make a cross it. So to avoid confusion. Now capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Again second. Then capital R, capital R. So there are two combinations. These two, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, small y. Then third one is capital R, capital Y, small y. This one, second, third, no sorry, this is capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. So this combination is wrong. Capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. So this is not R. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. This one. Then capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. This one. So total we can make like such cross. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. One. This two. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Then third and fourth. So here total 4 combinations are there of capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Then capital R, small y, small y. Capital R, small y, small y. This one. One. Then only one is there. Then capital R, small y, small y. Capital R is capital and others are small. Capital R, small y, small. This one. One. And here. This is second. So there are two combinations. Then small r, capital Y. This one. One. Then small r, capital Y, small y. Both small r, capital Y, small y. This one and this one. So two. Then small r, small y, small y. This last one. Only one. Capital R, capital Y. This one. This one and this one. Two. So these are already 9 combinations are there. Our numbers are wrong. Now here 4, after 4 there should be 5. This one 5, this one 6, this one 7, this one 8 and this one 9. So there are 9 zero-degree ratio, and if this ratio are combinedly collected, this ratio is in the increasing manner like this. 1:1:1:1. Sorry, 1:2:2:4, increasing order. 1 1 2 2 4. So 1 1 2 2 4, and then is to 2 is to 2 is to 1 is to 1. Again after 4 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 and 1. So all these are combinations, and if you make total, so 1 plus 1 एक 2 and 2 4 and 2 6 and 4 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 16. So this is the zero-degree ratio. Now, and this ratio is easy to remember because we have made increasing order and decreasing order. Right from 1:1:2, 2:2:4. After 4 again the same, 2:2, 1:1, and this is called genotypic ratio of dihybrid cross. So in this way such combinations are found. So this is called dihybrid cross, and so that's all about dihybrid cross. So we can make combinations of other characters. For example, color of flower and color of pot. These two characters can be considered, and we can make cross. Same ratio is formed. 9:3:3:1, and 1:1:2:2:4:2:1:1. Same combination are there. So that is all about the dihybrid cross given by Gregor Mendel. So for that we shall stop today. So stay at home and stay secured and make your study. Then goodbye.